Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining us. We're here at the race shop. Got a lot to do today. We race here in about 9 days. We're off this weekend, but had the day off of work, and I want to come up here and take a look at the car and get some stuff done. All right, car's in the trailer. Got a lot of work to do. We're gonna unload it, clean the shop, probably get it down, put it on jack stands, give it a bath, clean the tires, wrap the tires, check oil, nut and bolt check and everything like that, and we're gonna get after it.
1 hour later.
All right, got the shop all clean, all organized. Got to get this car out of here. It's gonna be a tight fit, and I'm by myself, so I'm probably gonna throw it on time lapse because it's gonna take me quite a bit. All right, there you have it. I won the battle of the trailer. It took me about 15 round trips back and forth, adjusting the wheels, trying to fit it out of here, but I got it. So I'll push it back here, get it up on jack stands, and start working on it.
Oh, I got here just in time.
Oh yeah, just in time.
Damn.
Don't break the door. That's perfect. All right, try that. Still no. Go down one on yours. Okay. Look at that clean tire. Man, it's dirty in here. Yes, I run padding for my booster seat. Hey Glenn, you're washing all the tires this week, right?
You're funny.
All right, grabbing my wash bucket. Nobody wants to wash the tires. I guess I have to. Like I said, it's the worst part of washing the car. What? Yeah, I don't think that's gonna do it. Man, that thing is caked. Out of gas.
Yeah.
All right, tires are clean, the body's clean, fenders, the belly pan, everything like that. Clean's in there pretending to work. And we got this thing, the roof. It is gonna be going back on the car here shortly. All right, we are bounce house ready. We got a bunch of air dryers trying to dry this floor up before we start on it. No show anything circular.
No, it's, yeah.
I'm kidding.
Here.
What? Perfect. that might be too big. I don't have the muscles for this one. I may want to get a different one. Yeah, no. But thank you.
You got new on a little bit. Okay, no rocks or anything coming out of the thing.
No.
Okay. Yeah, then this rings look okay. It don't look like that hot or anything. So, I'll buy some, I'll get some Lucas oil for you.
All right, on to the transmission. I'm getting dripped on under here. Oh, need a lift. I think it's under here. Woo, missed it. I missed it. What? The ratchet? Right here.
No, the one with the Torx. The one that we had up here. It was sitting down here when we were washing.
Is it in that bolt bucket?
No.
Oh no, I got it in my hair. No, God! No, God, please, no! No! You're distracted. Oh, not cool. Time. Oh, maybe not. I need your help. What, you just have it, the whole thing?
Yeah.
Sure, there you go. It's about to look like a race car again. Here, give me the other side. Or not. There you go. The roof is back on, so it looks like a late model again. And that'll probably wrap it up for today. We're just going to finish up a few odds and ends and clean up and then head home. So anyway, got a lot done. The car will be ready to go October 8th at Antioch. It's an extreme race. We got the points lead right now. Got 2 races to go. So not this Saturday, but the following Saturday. It'll be on AntiochSpeedway.tv if you want to watch it, or if you want to come out to the track, say hi. So we're just finishing up here, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button if you like what you see. I know it's kind of a not the most interesting video, but it just shows the grueling summer that we go through getting the car ready week in and week out, and the maintenance that has to be done if you want to run up front. So we're gonna get back to it here, probably about 5-10 minutes left, and like I said, clean up, and then that'll do it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.